Hello, welcome to Vibe Trading. My name is Don Okoro. So the federal government cut the interest rate to 0, and it's also launching a $700 billion quantitative easing program to help the economy in this time of trouble. So let's look at our news website and see exactly what the news website are saying, as this news is just breaking out at this moment. So Yahoo Finance is saying that the Fed cuts the interest rate to 0 and it's launching the quantitative easing program. And we also have our CNBC News also reporting the same thing. The federal government are cutting the interest rates to 0. So what does that mean for the market now or for the economy? It means that more borrowing power now for consumers. It also means more leveraging. But we need to be really careful when we have things like this kind of happening in the market. It really it's a very good indicator that things are kind of going bad, and the federal government is doing everything they can to kind of ease the problem. So now, come Monday, what should we be watching on Monday? Let's quickly go into our chart and I'll show you some of the key level we should be watching on Monday. Come Monday, we should be watching our S&P 500 and just see what it's gonna do on Monday, as I expect some movement come Monday because of this news we got today. So we are going to just look at our chart right here come Monday. So as we all know that we discussed this level a couple of days ago. We talked about this level. This is where we have this support level at this level right here. So we are anticipating that we're going to have a big move on Monday, because the future market is going to be opening tonight. And when the future market opens, from the future market, we should be able to know what the stock market is going to do on the regular trading day tomorrow, on Monday morning. So, but this is a key level we need to focus now. And the next level, I'm anticipating that this movement is the movement is going to go is to the 286 level. So let's just keep that on our watch list. And we also want to watch TVIS, as TVIS, it's the inverse of the S&P 500. So let's watch it and see what it's going to do on Monday. As we can see, it's made a very massive move for the last several days. So we are going to be seeing some sell-off, and so that the market can try to balance itself. Well, if you like this video, why don't you go ahead and smash the like button? And if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the subscribe button so that you can continue getting a lot of our content whenever we do receive them. And thank you for watching our video. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.